Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to install Apache Spark on Ubuntu 22.04. Before installing Apache Spark on Ubuntu, you need to update your system. Apache Spark is based on Java, so Java must be installed on your server. If not installed, you can install it by running the following command. Once Java is installed, verify the Java installation using the following command. Next, you can download Apache Spark using the following command. Once downloaded, extract the Apache Spark file by utilizing the following command. After the file is extracted, move the folder to the directory OPT. Before starting a master server, you need to configure environment variables. There are a few Spark home paths you need to add to the user profile. Use the echo command to add these 3 lines to the profile. When you finish adding the paths, load the profile file in the command line by typing. Next, create a dedicated user to run Apache Spark. Then, change the ownership of the /ops/spark to Spark user and group. Next, you must create a service file to manage the Apache Spark service. Create a service file for Spark Master by using the following command. Add the following lines. Save and close the file, then create a service file for Spark Slave. Continue to add the following lines. Next, change your server IP with your IP address. Save and close the file, then reload the systemd daemon to apply the changes. Next, start and enable the Spark Master service using the following command. You can check the status of the Spark Master using the following command. At this point, Apache Spark is started and listening on port 8080. You can check it with the following command. Open your web browser and access the Spark web interface using the following URL. You should see the Apache Spark dashboard on the following page. In this single server, standalone setup, we will start one slave server with the master server. To do so, run the following command in this format. The master in the command can be an IP address or host name. In our case, it is the IP address. Now that a worker is up and running, if you reload Spark Master's web UI, you should see it on the list. Finally, you have successfully installed Apache Spark on Ubuntu 22.04. You can now start using Apache Spark in the Hadoop environment.